Hey, let me show you what I'm trying to do here. I have some pipe here. I'm trying to make a bimini top. And I have some, it's called 3/4 inch galvanized conduit. I assume it is steel, but it's very lightweight and it is galvanized. 3/4 inch. I bought it from Lowe's, and I'll tell you why I got this here in just a second. But it comes in a 10-foot stick, and I cut this one in half, 5 foot, and then let me show you over here. This is all of my parts that I have. I bought a whole box from Mexol, I guess is how you say it. I'm not really sure. You guys might know how to pronounce that. But these little, I'm not sure what you call them. Not sure what you call them, but they're 7/8, and they fit on this pipe perfect. Let me show you. If you take this 3/4 inch pipe and this 7/8 hardware, Bimini hardware, it is perfect. And it's got a little set screw in the back here that you just set. And then that's going to be our middle bow, and our front bow is going to use these. And then these little ends here fits perfect. They're 7/8, but they fit perfect on here. And kind of snug, which is cool. And there's a little set screw there too. Now I did get some stainless steel ones. These suckers was spendy. And the way I read it on Amazon is these would fit a 3/4 inch tube. Well, it won't. It's 7/8 is what it will do. And it wouldn't go on this pipe. It was just a little bit too tight. And y'all know, like I do, drilling stainless steel, I mean, you can't hardly do it. It's tough to do it. So I went down to my local steel supplier shop there, and they put it on a lathe and they ground it down. Cost me 20 bucks. This one little piece here was like 12 bucks, and then cost me 20 bucks to get it ground down. But it fits on there perfect. And the reason I got these is that's what's going to be my base on the boat. So I ordered another one, and then I got this one. This one here, the first one that I ordered, came from Japan or China, and it took like 6 weeks to get. I ordered these, which is identical, but they're 1 inch, and they are too big for the pipe, but just a little bit. You set the set screw in it, you'll never know. And I ordered these from the United States, got them the next day. And they was cheaper. They was like $8, $7.99 through Amazon. And once I figure it out, I'm going to be partners with Amazon, but I'm not quite sure how to do it yet because I'm buying a crap load of stuff from Amazon, and I want to be able to give you guys a discount on it, and I make a little bit of money. Don't know how it all works, but we'll see. I'm hoping one of you guys will tell me. So what we're going to do is, got these two. These came from Japan, and they're the base that's going to fit on the boat. And then this is what's going to fit in here. And so we're going to go out to the boat, and we're going to do, one other thing too, is at Lowe's, they have these 90-degree bends. And they also have couplers that'll fit the two together. Now there's 2 set screws here, but once I get it all made and everything, I'm going to drill the hole out in here, and then, so this will screw all the way in and be secure. And then that's what fits them together. So you put this on, screw it down, and then you put this on, And that's what gives you your bend. And then you just go straight across. But I'll show you that when we get out to the boat. And I know some of you guys are going to ask, well, galvanized, it shouldn't rust, but I'm assuming that it will. So I'm either going to paint this or just wrap it in my in whatever I make the bimini out of. So let's go to the boat and let's check it out and kind of let me show you what we're doing there. All right, guys, here we are. As you can see, I put the elbow on, and I also got this on with my deal here. Okay, and then I'll show you where I'm going to set it, where I would like to set it. It's a little long right there. So if you can see that, that's where I'd like to set it, right there. And of course I can just drill holes down off in here and hold it. But then let me show you up top. So if I put this right here where I have it marked, and then this goes up, it's a little too long now, but I want this to be like right here. Like right there. And I want some space in between here because my bimini, it'll go over, and I want to make sure I can zip it. So it's going to be like right there, I think. So I have to cut this one off here, a little bit shorter, and then just refit it. So let's go do that. Alright, this is going to be super loud. I'm going to try to mute it, but I'm still trying to figure out. I don't know how to mute the sound yet, either in the camera or on the YouTube editor thing, but I'll work on it. Just know it's going to be a loud noise. Alright. Let's go try these and see if they're any better. Okay, I think that's going to work. And then this little thing right here, you can see it, is going to be for the front. And then this one here, let me move the camera for you. If you can see this little black thing right here, this little black thing right here, I want a rod that goes to here to here. So if we put this up here, and it's going to be about right there, I want a rod that fits from here to here. Of course, I'll have to cut it off. Not easy when you're by yourself, but I'll tell you what, after I get it done, it's going to be solid. So let's keep working on it, and we'll go from there. Alright, we're going to see if we can attach this. This will be the first hole I've drilled in the boat. Alright, that's one. Now what we're going to do is try to put the brace up here and then try to put this brace back here. Let's see how this goes. It's tough doing it one-handed. Alright, got that up there. Well, that ain't good. Got this one wrong. Yep, I do. And it's too long. I'm going to have to cut a couple inches off of it. So I'll be back. Alright guys, that's kind of the look I was going for. That's the starboard side. That's the brace for it. I looked at a lot of videos, a lot of pictures of where this is supposed to go, and that's the best I could find. I'm not sure if I really like this or not because it's so loose. The black ones gets them really, really tight. I mean, you can't move that thing. And it is a little wobbly this way, but it won't be once I get that bar going across there and do the other side. But this brace really turned out good. I got to cut another one, and I replaced this here, and I'll come back and put 4200 in the holes, and once I finally put it on for good. But I think that's going to be really sturdy. So I'm going to do the other side, and then up here where I have to put the cross member, I'll video that. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, this video is probably long enough, so I'm going to cut it off here, and thanks for staying with me. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, share the video. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. And I'll have another video for you here real soon. Alright, we'll see you soon.